Hey everyone, this is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on the trailer mode on your Tesla vehicle. So if you're going to be towing something with your vehicle, we can go on down over here, scroll on down, and we want to go to where it says Dynamics. Scroll on down in here, and there's an option for trailer mode down here. We can just turn this on right here, and there will be a little symbol right there for trailer. So if you're going to be towing something with your Model Y or Cybertruck or Model 3, just make sure this is enabled. It says always enable trailer mode before towing a trailer. Trailer mode disables or restricts certain vehicle functions, including some driver assistance features. Do not enable trailer mode when not towing a trailer. Please refer to the owner manual. So you might want this on just for the heck of it because they have the option here. So check it out if you're going to be towing something. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.